You want to make a boatload of money by identifying and selling the next fidget spinner? This video is for you, but it has to do with patent issues. Okay, what is an Amazon patent? Or what are the patent issues on Amazon? Well, what happens more than you would think is that Amazon sellers, just like you, go to factories, go to trade shows like ASD in Las Vegas, Global Sources in Hong Kong, and you find a product and you think it's absolutely going to crush it. So you order a truckload of it, a massive amount. You double down, you 10x on that product. And then when you start to sell, all of a sudden you got a patent complaint. So one, you can't trust Alibaba, okay? You can't. Number two, it doesn't take a whole lot of time or a whole lot of money, if you want us to do it, to look at a product, check the USPTO, the United States Patent and Trademark Office, and then get an opinion. Say, hey, does this product look all right? Should I expect a patent violation, a patent complaint if I start selling this product? So Declan Levine provided this tip for me to deliver to you, the Amazon sellers. So you want to make more? You need to know about Amazon and patent issues. Where do you go? You go to our website, AmazonSellersLawyer.com, search patent. If you want to learn more about copyright or trademark, you can download our books. More information for Amazon sellers than any website on earth.